decided to do what? Was a stone on the floor, so I hit my leg on stone. Turn the back up if you smoke weed. Turn the back up. I hit my leg on stone. Even you. I hit my leg on stone. I said I hit my leg on stone. Okay, after that, what happened? Just the other day. Just the other day, I came out of my own house. I said just the other day, I came out of my own house. Then I saw my friend, he was standing down the road. So I decided to do what? A stone on the floor, so I hit my leg on stone. Turn the back up if you smoke weed. Turn the back up. I hit my leg on stone. Even you. I hit my leg on stone. I said I hit my leg on stone. Okay, after that, what happened? You know, some say it's the last song's a war. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying. You know me, dan bim, hey. Rasta fried rice, last year ate it, what is scatter.
Malik sprays on the beats, baby.